Watch me make corned beef sauce like you've never seen before. I bet you've never tried this method before. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this recipe, we are going to be pairing with unripe plantain. So first, you are going to be cooking your unripe plantain until it is very soft and tender. Once that is done, take it out of the water and set it aside. Next, we are going to place another pan on the stove, and now you're going to add in your sardine, add in your corned beef, stir that up together, allow to fry for 2 minutes, then add in your mixed peppers. That is the combination of paprika, habanero and onions. Now you're going to add your favorite seasoning and spices. Stir that up together to combine and allow it to fry for 5 minutes. Next, open it up, give it a stir to make sure it's not burning. At this point, the aroma should be overwhelming. So that is it. It's not hard to make, very easy. Lastly, you're going to garnish up with any herbs of your choice. For this, I use petersilie. So that is it. It's as simple as ABCD, and your delicious corned beef sauce is ready. Now go ahead to serve it and enjoy. Enjoy with your unripe plantain. You can also serve with rice, boiled yam, or anything. It's just good to go with anything. So tell me, are you going to be trying this? Do you like this recipe? Let's know in the comments, and please remember to like, comment and share with your loved ones. See you again in my next one. Bye bye.